In this video, we'll analyze the famous iris dataset using Python. You'll learn how to load real data, explore it with pandas, and visualize patterns using Matplotlib. Perfect for beginners starting data science. First, we load the iris dataset using Scikit-learn. This dataset contains measurements of flowers, and we convert it into a Pandas DataFrame for easy analysis in Python. Now we create a Pandas DataFrame from the iris dataset. The feature value The feature values are passed as data, and column names come from the dataset itself. This makes the data structured, readable, and easy to work with for analysis. Using a data frame allows us to explore, filter, and visualize the data efficiently in Python. Next, we add the target column to the data frame. This column represents the flower species, which comes from the dataset's target values. Now each row includes both features and labels. Now let's take a look at the first 5 rows of the dataset to understand its structure and features. Now let's perform some basic analysis on the dataset. First, we check the shape of the data frame to understand how many rows and columns it has. This helps us know the size of the data we are working with. Next, we calculate the average sepal length to get a simple statistical insight. Basic analysis like this is an important step before moving to data visualization or modeling. Finally, we visualize the data using a histogram. This graph shows the distribution of sepal length values. The x-axis represents sepal length in centimeters, and the y-axis shows how frequently values occur. Histograms help us understand data spread and identify patterns in the dataset. Finally, the histogram visualizes the sepal length distribution, making it easy to see how the values are spread across the dataset.